How do you go about marketing?
एक्चुअली हम लोग ने डे 1 से मार्केटिंग की ही नहीं है, मतलब मार्केटिंग पे एक भी रुपए खर्च किए ही नहीं है। हम लोगों ने क्वालिटी वैसे दी है, प्राइस भी हम लोगों का मिनिमल है।
One mistake that you've done before this and you want to go back and correct that.
एक्चुअली क्या हुआ था कि 6 लोगों की एक टीम थी, उन लोगों को हमने हायर किया था
शादी वाला,
और सडनली वो एक दिन में सारे के सारे छोड़ के चले गए।
Oh my God.
I think we were first people in when we got onboarded in Swiggy. We were very first people of Swiggy that we onboarded, right? And we have given good business Swiggy, and we are coming always top 3 in our area.
The weirdest food combination that you've had and it actually works.
इडली विथ राजस्थानी कढ़ी।
We had idli
विथ राजस्थानी कढ़ी।
Hi, welcome to Bites of Wisdom, my podcast on interviewing a lot of restaurant owners, basically helping the people who are just new into the industry, so that they don't do what we learnt out of experience. So hi, please introduce yourselves.
हाय, मैं शिखा जैन, मारवाड़ी बासा और जैन अंकल की ओनर हूँ।
Okay.
और हमारा मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव है गुड फूड और रिजनेबल प्राइस में देना।
My name is Narayan Dilan and I am the husband of my lovely wife Shikha Jain. So she runs 2 restaurants in Bangalore and actually I help her. I am a corporate employee, but at the same time I also have a passion to become an entrepreneur one day. I am just helping my wife in any needs she needs, whatever the creativity she needs, right? I am just helping her. Yeah, and as she mentioned about the Marwadi Basa, we opened this restaurant 10 years back and objective यही था कि भाई अच्छा खाना देना है at reasonable price. That was something which we अच्छा खाना means homely food. That was our objective.
Okay, so that is why. And what's the reason behind the name?
वी आर मारवाड़ी।
Okay.
सो मारवाड़ी और बासा का मतलब होता है कि एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे लोग अच्छा खाना खा सके। पुराने ज़माने में ऐसा होता था कि 2-4 लेडीज़ मिलके घर पे ही थोड़ा बहुत खाना बना के सर्व करते थे, बट उसे हम लोगों ने कमर्शियली एक्सटेंड करने के लिए हम लोगों ने मारवाड़ी बासा नाम रखा और इसे हम लोग कमर्शियली और आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं।
Okay, so you've been doing this from 10 years. And what were you doing before this?
So we just got married that time.
Oh, okay.
So once we got married and she has very passion in kitchen and in cooking, right?
Okay.
So during the first few months of my marriage, right, our marriage, I was getting a lot of good food.
Oh, okay.
I didn't want to spend only time in the kitchen. Let's open something, right? So
Okay.
ये फिर इन्होंने open किया. She told me, she expressed her view कि मुझे रेस्टोरेंट ओपन करना है।
Okay.
And then how it decided basically, and we wanted to open a kind of tiffin services.
Okay.
But we ended up in opening a restaurant.
Restaurant, that's nice. So, like you told, you have no experience in this, right? You were a proper housewife kind of a person, or did you have any experience?
No,
in
I am proper housewife of.
And you must have faced a lot of difficulties in the beginning, right? When you started. So, can you please tell me about all of that?
Yeah, when you're talking about the experience, I would say that since we are from Rajasthan, Marwadi, so there is kind of entrepreneurship in our blood.
So
that's called Baniya Buddhi.
Acha.
Yeah, but having said that, we didn't have a prior experience in our food industry. It was new for us. But we were confident from inside because
बट मेरे दादाजी जो थे
हाँ.
उनका मतलब छोटा मोटा सा रेस्टोरेंट था। वो स्वीट्स मतलब स्वीट्स एंड स्नैक्स बनाते थे।
So you were
and
in that
his
field.
father is also a very good cook.
Oh,
I must admire my
okay.
father-in-law. He's very lovely. Like he prepares a lot of good dish, like sweet and all. So
Okay.
we had that experience, but yeah.
Okay, got
Because,
it. So that's nice to have that. Yeah. So what about the difficulties that you faced?
The biggest hurdle in the industry, food industry, is how to bring the resources, right? And not only resources, good resources, and quality resources. When you look for the quality customer, at the same time you're also looking for the good quality resources. It's very, very difficult.
So when you say quality resources, what do you mean by that?
What do you mean by, see, the quality resources is that we look 2 things when we hire people.
One is क्विक लर्नर
Okay.
एंड सेकंड इज ओबीडिएंट।
Obedience.
Okay.
अगर वो क्विक लर्नर है तो उन्हें हम लोग ट्रेन कर सकते हैं, बट अगर वो ऑलरेडी ट्रेंड है और मतलब उन्हें कुछ सीखने की आदत नहीं है तो फिर जितना उनमें है बस वो उतने में सीमित रह जाते हैं जितनी उनकी कैपेसिटी उतने में सीमित रह जाते हैं। क्योंकि मेरे पास ऐसे भी स्टाफ हैं जो आए थे सिर्फ यूटेंसिल्स वॉश करने के लिए, बट अभी वो हमारा मैनेजर बन चुका है।
He's an all-rounder chef, not a manager.
Okay.
He's an all-rounder chef.
All-rounder.
Wow.
So we have trained that guy in anywhere. So he can cook, he can do the like cooking also, roti prada expert. He's handling the Swiggy, Zomato,
managing
everything,
a restaurant,
vendor management, everything we have, because he has a passion to learn.
Okay.
That's a very important things which we look forward.
Okay,
And-
so that was one of your troubles.
Yeah, yeah, so
What
that-
else?
yeah.
else did you face in the beginning?
I think the time issue. Basically, since I was working, she was a housewife, and initially we have to put a lot of time, right? And difficulty, like at the end of the month, sometimes happen like you end up without making a profit, right?
Yes.
And that's become very painful, right? Because you have spent whole 30 days, put it your heart and soul, sweat, right? And then you finally, when you calculate, okay, यार आज तो इसमें पैसे नहीं बचे हैं.
Yeah, I agree.
But that's fine. Difficulty in procuring the vegetables now it is. अभी क्या है हमारे पास Swiggy, Zomato.
वेंडर्स हैं, हाँ मतलब निंजा कार्ट है और जोमेटो है, उससे वेजिटेबल्स आ जाती है.
पहले तो बहुत डिफिकल्टी होती थी.
Yeah.
पहले हम लोग को मंडी जानी पड़ती थी, वहाँ से वेजिटेबल्स
So
लाते
you
थे.
used to source your
Yeah,
own.
Yes,
we
yes.
used to go. We wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Can you imagine? We have a scooty that time in our early
Bike.
initial days. Bike.
Wow.
So in the
Pulsar.
bike, we have to go to all the KR Mandi, Subji Market, Yeshwantpur Market at 4 a.m. in the morning. To bring the vegetables. So that so our cuisine is that we make very cut fresh vegetables.
Okay.
We don't have the concept of the gravy. So we have to make the fresh vegetables every day. We have to procure the fresh vegetables.
Okay.
So every day we have to go at 4 a.m. in the morning and then get the vegetable price and good rate. Because we can't procure the vegetables from outside. वैसे लेंगे तो फिर we'll end up-
बजट नहीं होगा हमारा.
So that all now I think the hurdles has little lesser right now because of all the players coming to the market, right? There are a lot of intermediate players, right? Which is
But don't you think the problems are also increased as the solutions have
yeah, definitely. But having said that, see, in terms of scalability, right? If you talk about the scalability, earlier it's very difficult to scale, right? You have to deliver the food on your own, right?
Yeah.
And you can't deliver more than 10 deliveries, right? If you have to scale. But once the aggregators come into the picture, I think we were first people when we got on board in Swiggy.
Oh, okay.
We were first. I think the manager, he's become director or somewhere in Swiggy. I don't know.
Okay.
We were very first people of Swiggy. Then we onboarded, right? And we have given good business Swiggy. And we are coming always top 3 in our area, in the veg restaurant.
Okay.
Because of the consistency of the food. Yeah.
That was the next question. How do you maintain the consistency of the food and the quality?
Consistency, we maintain, check every day, cook the food, and my other staff check the quality of the food, and we go through the reviews.
That's very important thing.
We go through the reviews and we reply in reviews.
So
Okay.
we monitor all each and review, right?
Okay.
See, there might be issue. It's not that every day you will get the same quality, right?
Yeah.
But the problem is that you have to act upon the reviews, right? The feedback.
Got it.
Unless you don't act on the feedback, then you can't maintain the quality.
Got it.
You can't ignore the feedback because that's the voice of the customer.
Right. So do you maintain some kind of a standard procedures that you have to follow, or SOP kuch hai, system kuch hai that you have, and do you swear by it? Do you actually say that no, I have to follow the system, I have to follow the SOPs?
So there is no hard and fast rule. I don't think so. So there is no hard and fast rule. See, our thing, we make 3 vegetables every day.
Okay.
So our is more of a thali concept.
Okay.
So we have defined कि what actually क्या 3 सब्जी क्या बनेगी हमारे.
daily.
अच्छा.
एक पनीर सब्जी होती है, एक ग्रेवी सब्जी होती है, एक ड्राई सब्जी होती है. We
Okay.
give the freedom to choose.
Okay.
हम लोग क्या करते हैं, कस्टमर को चूज करने देते हैं कि भाई आपको जो पसंद है
वो आप ले सकते हो.
अच्छा.
So that liberty, the customization, I think क्या.
हाँ, कस्टमाइजेशन होता है
That's
कि
nice
अगर आपको
actually.
रोटी नहीं चाहिए, आपको फुल राइस चाहिए तो आप फुल राइस ले
राइस
सकते हो.
अच्छा.
आपको राइस नहीं चाहिए, रोटी चाहिए तो आप राइस की जगह पे 2 रोटी एक्स्ट्रा ले सकते हो.
Okay.
मतलब वो कस्टमाइजेशन है हमारे यहाँ.
Wow, but don't you think this will lead to a lot of chaotic problems?
No chaotic, see,
मुझे
because people-
quality का पता नहीं चल रहा है, quantity का पता नहीं चल रहा है. How do you maintain that day-to-day operations?
No, so here is a caveat, right? So basically, it's mentioned in the menu. Like you are looking for the thali and you have an alternate option to choose, right?
अच्छा.
And like Swiggy and Zomato, right? You don't have to look at the comments part. We have defined that. Are you looking for the only roti thali or rice thali
We
or
have
combination?
रोटी थाली.
अच्छा. Okay. So you have that as a
Predefined. And
Predefined.
on the table, right? We ask the customer, अगर वो जब थाली लगाता है बेसिकली तो क्या होता है कि बस हम लोग एक बार पूछ लेते हैं एंड देन उसको पास ऑन कर देते हैं कि नहीं भाई ये राइस वाली थाली लगानी है या चपाती वाली थाली लगानी है, फुल्का थाली लगानी है. We just pass this message. And we don't have those hurdles like serving the food.
Understood. So, how many staffs do you have and how do you maintain them?
Right now we have 15, 16 staffs.
Okay. So, how
We
do you...
have two outlets.
We have two
Okay.
outlets. One is in Koramangala and another one is in near Manyata Tech Park.
Oh, okay. So, how do you handle the staff? Like, do you have some kind of a daily meeting that you have to go through? How do you take the information required every day? How do you do that?
Not weekly. We have to connect every day.
Okay.
So, by God grace, now we have got very good staff.
Okay.
We don't have to go to the restaurant. But हम लोग 4 साल
10 years से मतलब हमारे पास स्टाफ जो हैं कुछ स्टाफ ऐसे हैं जो 10 years से हैं और हम लोगों को उन पे इतना ट्रस्ट है कि हम लोगों को जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
मतलब we have got so many people right now. Earlier initial few years right 4 साल 5 साल
थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हुआ था. हम लोग जाते भी थे फुल टाइम वहाँ पे स्पेंड करते थे बट अभी स्टाफ इतने अच्छे हैं और लॉयल हैं कि हम लोगों को जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं होती.
How do you get this loyalty in staff?
Loyalty doesn't come. You can't get a loyal staff anywhere.
Right.
You have to build a trust.
हाँ वो ट्रस्ट फैक्टर होना चाहिए. उन लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि मतलब उन लोगों को ये पता है कि अगर हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं तो मैडम कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे. अच्छा. और मुझे भी पता है कि वो लोग अपने अकॉर्डिंग मतलब जो भी करेंगे अच्छा करेंगे. तो इसलिए उन लोगों
को कन्वर्सेशन बेसिकली द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज दैट यू हैव टू
रिस्पेक्ट करनी बहुत जरूरी है. अगर आप उन्हें रिस्पेक्ट दोगे तो वो और आप उन पे विश्वास करोगे. उन्हें पता है कि अगर वो हम लोग अगर किसी पे विश्वास कर रहे हैं तो उन्हें भी पता है कि उन्हें वो हम लोग को चीट नहीं करना चाहिए.
As sir told, communication is the main factor. So tell me about your struggles being as a woman. How do you maintain and during that day, like 10 years before and all, nobody would have expected. And I don't know how sir is like, maybe because of his support also you would have grown this much, right? So at the initial stages, what happened? Being a woman entrepreneur at that stage, what was your difficulty?
Difficulty तो थी maintain both places.
Yeah, exactly. Home, family. And
I think my in-laws has supported a lot.
Okay.
हाँ मतलब जब भी जरूरत पड़ी तो मतलब हम लोगों ने कॉल किया तो एक बार मेरे मम्मी पापा आए हम लोगों को सपोर्ट किया.
Because she is very hard working. Like as I told you, right, in the initial days she has to wake up 5 a.m. I used to go to work, right? She has to.
और इनके सपोर्ट से मतलब मुझे लगता था कि नहीं करना है बस करना है. मैनेज करना है किसी तरह से मैनेज करना है क्योंकि सपोर्ट मिलता है तो सब कुछ कर सकते हैं आप. अगर सपोर्ट नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. पॉसिबल ही नहीं है.
Have you ever thought of giving up in between?
Yes, definitely.
What made you think like that?
I think she got pregnant. That time, like we had a child, and it was very difficult to manage because I was working. She couldn't spend time. वो कनेक्शन थोड़ा सा टूट रहा था and few staff left in between. That moment actually we gave up and we were about to sold our restaurant.
What made you decide no मुझे ये करना है continue करना है?
Actually इनके एक फ्रेंड आ गए बीच में ही मतलब सडनली कि नहीं मुझे अपने ब्रदर को भी यहाँ शिफ्ट करना. उन्हें पता चला कि हम लोग सोल्ड आउट कर रहे हैं तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं तुम सोल्ड आउट नहीं करो हम लोग पार्टनरशिप कर लेते हैं. मुझे भी अपने ब्रदर को शिफ्ट करना है और वो उनके सपोर्ट से फिर हम लोग कंटिन्यू.
Yeah, so we got a good partner. He's my school friend, best friend.
Okay.
And he's also working by the way.
Okay.
And we both together came and become good power. So I was not believing in a partnership before. I didn't know that there's a lot of power a partnership can have, right?
Wow.
Because since you are both are working, right? If you don't have a time, he will look after. He doesn't have time, I will look after, right?
Correct.
And there's a lot of ideas come together, right? There's two ideas, two minds works on the same common goal, and it become double.
Yes.
It multiply. It doesn't get added, it get
multiplied. Correct.
So we opened one, and then we suddenly after 1 year we opened second restaurant in Balandur.
Wow.
Unfortunately, we have to call it off during the COVID period.
Okay.
But once we went back, after coming back from COVID, we started again. We bounced back.
Yeah.
So we started the
what
same
are the struggles that you faced during COVID time?
Like, I think many people have faced the same thing.
Exactly. That
no
is
customers, the fear factor, right?
But after COVID, we call our old staffs.
Okay. They were ready to come.
Yeah, everyone came.
Wow.
Everyone was waiting that okay, my sir will call, my madam will call, and once I'll get back. So that's kind of
Trust you build.
We are
Yeah,
built.
that's so nice to hear.
Yeah.
And then you were talking about your Bellandur restaurant.
So Belendur, we have to call it off because it was running very well. Like if you remember in 2019, Uber came, right? Uber Eats,
Uber Eats.
Uber Eats.
and we are like doing so great. Like we are doing around 25,000 per day every day from online. 25,000 rupees from that restaurant. The problem is that during the COVID came and the staff were very like they were in the fear zone, right? I don't want to say anything. See, money is one factor, right? But ultimately you have to care about your people.
Yeah.
Right, that is not above the money. So we decided, okay, no, let everything get settled down. Let's get out. We want to get rid of one restaurant. Ultimately, this is Nagwara one, Manyata one. Since it was a starting one, तो हम लोग ने उसको नहीं बेचा. Basically, वो हम लोग को बेचना नहीं था. वो हम लोग चाहते थे. That was lucky charm for us.
मतलब जब भी उसे बेचने के
कभी सोचा नहीं.
सोच ही नहीं सकते हैं.
We paid rent for 2 years.
Wow.
मतलब 2 साल उन्होंने we also went hometown
अच्छा,
at least for 18 months.
Okay.
For 18 months we kept the place.
अच्छा.
We didn't sell it off.
Wow.
We were paying the rent and our owner was very, very generous. So have given the waive of our rent for 50% for at least a year. Like generous of generosity of him. Like he's very generous guy.
Wow. So, coming to your work-life balance, how do you balance? Because you are into IT and then helping your wife also. How do you?
So for me, I have to take care of my IT work during the daytime, right? And of course on the weekends. That's it. People say that we don't get time.
Yeah.
But it's all about the priority game. You want to prioritize your time.
Exactly.
Everyone has 24 hours, right? Even a man also have 24 hours, even rickshaw also do. But how do you want to make your 24 hours effective? That's very important. So I don't spend my time like in watching Netflix, having beer and all that. I work on the weekends also.
Okay.
Before this, I'm just coming from a restaurant. I have to pack everything and then I drop my stuff there in Koramangala. Then I came here.
Okay.
So yeah, on the weekends I support her in terms of the creativity. It's all her ideas. It's all her hard work. Ultimately, she is the backbone. Yeah.
So that's nice to hear.
I get pissed off sometimes, but she is a calm woman, calm person, which manages everything.
Okay. So how do you manage your staff? If there'll be a lot of conflicts, right? There'll be a lot of fights, misunderstanding. So how do you do it? If sir isn't there, how would you manage?
वो उन लोगों को समझा देते हैं तो हो जाता है. मतलब वो लोग बात मानते हैं.
अच्छा.
Conflicts there, like you be very specific. You want to conflict with the customer, with the staff, or with the neighbors, because conflicts can happen
everywhere. Yeah, agree.
So it's also happening in the building owner, right?
Yeah.
So we keep a balance. अगर मुझे किसी को डांटना है, I will not spare that guy if he made a mistake. But at the same time, I also console him. कि नहीं भाई उसने गलती की है.
Because the staffs are very sensitive now. एक बात बोल दिया तो like मुझे जो छोड़ के जाना है, मुझे नहीं करना है ये सब.
नहीं तो ऐसा होता है ना कि हम लोग पहले उसे डांटते हैं कि तुमने ये गलती की है, फिर उसे प्यार से समझाते भी हैं कि अरे बाबू ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था ना, तुमको ऐसा करते तो फिर उसको प्रॉब्लम होगी. तो वो लोग समझ जाते हैं कि नहीं डांटा है तो फिर प्यार से भी समझाया है.
Keep a balance of everything. It's not that every time you have to like.
अगर बार-बार उनके ऊपर गुस्सा करते रहेंगे तो उन्हें भी हर्ट होता है.
Okay, so the next thing is like, what is the proudest moment you've had in your restaurant industry life, like from the beginning till now? Like, what's the proudest moment that you have?
Proudest moment जब कस्टमर के फेस पे स्माइल देखते हैं कि मतलब आज हमने बहुत अच्छे से खाना खाया, एकदम घर जैसा खाना खाया है, तो वो हम लोगों का सबसे proudest moment होता है. जब उनके रिव्यू सुनते हैं कि नहीं सर, नहीं मैडम, ये बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब आप लोग और आगे बढ़ाओ, 5 स्टार रेटिंग मिलती है, तो वो प्राउडेस्ट फील होता है कि नहीं हम लोगों ने किसी को खुश किया. मोटिवेट्स यू.
एंड लाइक व्हाट्स द मोमेंट दैट यू थॉट मुझे अब इसके बाद नहीं करना है, मुझे आई डोंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग, आई एम समथिंग दैट हर्ट यू सो मच दैट नहीं करना है मुझे अभी, आई डोंट हैव टू गो थ्रू ऑल ऑफ दिस.
That was coming in back in the initial time. Since what happens that वो जब कब आता है आपको, I'll tell you frankly, that thought process when comes, when you're not making the money. It's all about, and the motivation also comes from the money also. Right? That's a good biggest factor. कि अगर जहाँ आपको लग रहा है लॉस हो रहा है तो वो आपके थॉट प्रोसेस स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. But ultimately in this food industry, right, biggest challenge that the people face, right, is that they don't have patience.
Oh yeah.
तो पेशेंस होना बहुत जरूरी है. This industry takes time, right? It will not give you the जैसे होता है ना एक पौधा आपने लगाया है. Just think about, I'm giving example, there's something about a like small sapling, right? You put it a sapling, you can't expect the fruit from that sapling right away.
Right away, right.
You have to give water, you have to give like proper soil, right? You have to protect her.
Yes.
Protect that particular plant, right? For some couple of days that even no outsider can pluck.
Right.
गाय बकरी चर्बी आके खाने जाए.
That is true.
उसको ग्रो करना पड़ता है. Once it is grown, right? When it's become tree, आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Correct.
वो फल अपने देगा. पानी दो या नहीं दो, या गाय आ जाए, कुछ आ जाए, तो आपको क्या जरूरत है भाई? कुछ जरूरत नहीं है. You don't have to give, right? तो we have from last 10 years we have built a tree. अब मुझे आप पूछेंगे कि भाई
मतलब स्टार्टिंग में तो फेस किया ना हम लोगों ने भी.
हाँ, वो आता है, लेकिन वो अब फ्रूट्स मिल रहा है ना.
फिर लगा कि नहीं, थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखेंगे तो ये बिल्ड हो जाएगा, ये सही चलेगा, तो हम लोगों को प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. और आज ऐसा है कि हम लोग नहीं भी चाहते हैं तो चल रहा है.
राइट.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, प्रॉफिट है. मतलब इतनी मेहनत नहीं है हम लोगों को करनी पड़ती है.
How do you go about marketing? So how did you go about marketing before and how do you go about marketing?
एक्चुअली हम लोग ने डे 1 से मार्केटिंग की ही नहीं है. मतलब मार्केटिंग पे एक भी रुपए खर्च किए ही नहीं.
सिंगल पेनी.
हाँ, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने क्वालिटी वैसे दी है और प्राइस भी हम लोगों का मिनिमल है. तो वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से, कस्टमर को सर्विस अच्छी देने से, कस्टमर से ही हम लोगों की मतलब.
So we have done the marketing organically. जैसे पैकेजिंग, we have improved the packaging part. Packaging improve किए, quality improve किए. Sometimes when we see the order, right, we also write a customized message.
Okay.
Hope you have like love the food, right? Like when we Jain food, sometimes we maintain the quality on that perspective. And by the way, we have 2 restaurants. One is called Marwadi Pasa, second is called Jain Uncle.
Okay.
Jain Uncle is something, she is a Jain, she understand all the food. Yeah, so Jain Uncle में we have more varieties of the Jain items.
Okay, that's nice.
वो Jain जब हम लोग दिखते थे, customize करते थे, message हम लोग वो दिखते कि हाँ भाई ये Jain item है. Then we write particularly there is no onion and garlic.
Oh, okay.
So basically, sometimes like let's say they have a combination of the food, right? We maintain that they are getting the right food.
So got it. And like till now you don't do any marketing for your restaurant?
In terms of PPC campaign, or no, we avoid that because our margin is very less. So our margin, हमारा थाली, our cuisine, right? Our food item is very nominal, very reasonable. So we don't have a budget for doing the marketing.
Understood. So that was my next question. Like, how do you decide the pricing of your food or your menu? How do you go about it?
Pricing actually volume पे depend करते हैं.
Exactly.
अगर volume less है तो pricing more होगा. अगर volume ज़्यादा है तो pricing कम होगी.
So usually in the restaurant industry, they do cost price into 3x, right? Sometimes or cost price into 2x.
That factor is there. Let's say you do 3 times also. But you see, you have prepared everything, and at the end you are going to sell only 10 units of your that item.
Yeah, right.
Do you think that 3x will work out? Not at all. It's all volume. Pricing, the price should be such reasonable, right? That footfall come, right? Once that you get the footfall, once you get the people, then your price, if you have nominal price, if you less profit margin, then you can make a good profit at the end.
Right.
But let's say you go to restaurant and you have 500 rupees for one curry.
Nobody will buy it.
You will end up getting only 10 customers the whole day, right?
Yeah.
But you want 100 customers, you have to optimize your price.
Correct.
Price depends upon the volume.
Right.
Ultimately, having said that, you also need to understand what is the per plate cost coming. But your profit margins should be very optimal.
But you see, right, the inflation rates are so high, the oil price is just increasing like crazy. So how do you keep changing, or do you change your prices according to the
every year? Yes,
every year.
Every year,
yeah, every year
whatever the
price,
factors are. Okay.
And we see the price has gone down.
Got it. Okay. So the next thing is, how do you see your competitors? Do you have any competitors? Because when you said Jain food, right, Jain specific food, you're catering to a very niche market, right? And if it was North Indian or just a veg restaurant, then market would have been bigger. But when you said Jain, it's very specific to that community only.
No, not community. So Jain food doesn't being eaten by Jain only. क्या Jain लोग नहीं खाते?
नहीं, वो ऐसा नहीं है। अब नवरात्रे में लोगों को चाहिए विदाउट ऑनियन गार्लिक चाहिए। कुछ भी फेस्टिवल्स आता है, अभी पितृपक्ष चल रहा था, तो लोगों को विदाउट ऑनियन गार्लिक चाहिए।
तो हम लोग प्योर वेज रेस्टोरेंट है। जैन अंकल इज वन डिफरेंट ब्रांड, बट आवर इज प्योर जैन फूड, सॉरी नॉर्मल नॉट इंडियन फूड।
नॉट इंडियन फूड।
सो थाली सिस्टम, देन आला काटे,
पराठास।
हाँ, तो हमारे पास क्या है कि since we hail from Bihar, Jharkhand, right? And we also hail from Rajasthan. Our ancestor from Rajasthan.
Okay.
So we have the combination
of two states.
Then it's fine.
Yeah. So we have dal bati churma.
And we have litti chokha also.
We have litti chokha also. Right? Two combinations. So, and that's why we maintain the pricing, everything, the menu, revise everything. We do. Yeah.
When do you decide? Do you have a franchisee model or both the branches as yours? Own. So what factors do you decide saying, yeah, now I think we should grow, I need another branch, or I should give it to a franchisee point? When do you decide that, and what factors do you decide?
We decided to go with the franchisee model. The biggest problem is that the quality of the which you are maintaining, right, that will maintain there or not, right? Because
exactly,
it's a small outlet, right? And you have to serve the good quality and homely food, right? It's not a kind of burger system or pizza, right? We can have the kind of proper ingredients, right? If the quality वो खराब हो जाती है तो सब खराब हो जाएगा, right? We are very afraid, and that is why we don't want to open the more branches right now. But yeah, now पहले क्या होता था कि we have to spend a lot of time, right? पहले होता था कि हम लोग को खुद रहना पड़ता था, right? If you let's say if you call some franchise person also, I don't know they will can give the same time or not, right?
Yeah.
Now I think now this is possible now since everything we have so many aggregators in the market right now. Now we have the people. पहले लोग नहीं थे. I think right now we can procure the person, staff, and then we can provide also. We can service, we can support that one.
Got it.
Now I think we are expanding. Now we have opened one recently 1 year back in Koramangala, right?
Okay.
Now until we don't make a good profit, we'll not move again.
Move ahead. Got it.
In case we are getting the good proposal from the people, then we are exploring.
Okay.
But we want the good people.
Who will give more time.
We want to have. We just are not looking for the money only, but we want at the same time good people to work with the good people. That's very important thing.
So where do you see your restaurant in the next 5 years? What's the future plans?
10 और branches खोलने का plan करेंगे।
5 years.
5 years. Okay.
Every year we're planning 1 or 2, but just we wanted to slow, steady, and like not at the exponential graph.
Okay.
धीरे-धीरे.
Linearly, we wanted to grow.
Okay.
But being said that, whatever we have right now, because होता है कि आप multiple चीज करते हो तो आपका focus हट जाता है.
Yeah, that is true. Yeah, you're distracted with a lot of things. So, one mistake that you've done before this, and you want to go back and correct that. One regret that हाँ ये हो गया, like what am I supposed to do? ऐसा हो गया, अब नहीं करना है मुझे. What is that mistake?
Actually क्या हुआ था कि 6 लोगों की एक टीम थी और लोगों को हमने हायर किया था.
So we hired the शादी वाला, like
means वो कैटरर थे, कैटरर्स थे. उन्हें हमने हायर किया था और सडनली वो एक दिन में सारे के सारे छोड़ के चले गए.
Oh my God.
Trust on that caterers people. But catering people, what they do during the wedding, right?
वो लोगों को मतलब वो डेली वाला बिजनेस नहीं होता उनका मंथ में
मंथली ऑफ सीजन.
Yeah, that is
ऐसा होता है. तो फिर वो लोग
when the season came they ran.
Right. So that's the one blunder mistake we have done.
Okay.
And then we don't hire those a group of people because once anyone goes off, right, they will take the whole team. So we don't hire the whole team.
Yeah.
हाँ वो वैसा हुआ था हम लोगों को.
That is that. The next thing is now you see a lot of restaurants come up with these Instagrammable gimmicks and there's smoke coming out and you know there's like if you touch it it opens to give some kind of a food. But whereas in your restaurant it will not be possible, right? Or do you do any kind of innovation or creativity in that?
Creativity innovation तो
ambience थोड़ा सा depend करता है. मतलब ambience अगर अच्छा है तो लोग.
Now after COVID what happened, people have started going to the good
ambience.
Yeah, exactly.
क्या होता था कि चलो यार खाना अच्छा मिल रहा तो they can sit anywhere, right? अभी क्या हो रहा है, people they wanted to see the ambience, right? They wanted to go and socialize, right? कि वहाँ पे गए They want to social themselves.
photography
Photo,
actually, हाँ.
pictures
Photo,
and all
take
that.
pictures and then uploading the social
Sharing
media.
on Insta. So you are going to cater to that, or you're just going to stick to the old traditional food that you're giving?
Food, we are going to stick with that.
Ambience will be allowed.
Ambience,
yeah, we are-
Okay, that's a nice balance actually. You
Yeah.
give a very Instagrammable ambience, but give homely food,
हाँ,
and they
हाँ,
keep coming. They
Yes.
keep repeating, right?
I will add on. Like if the ambience change something, that will kind to add more varieties.
So how that was the thing. Like, how do you create about the innovation and creation in food, creativity in food? Because people get bored of eating the same kind of food again and again.
नहीं एक्चुअली ऐसा नहीं है ना कि डेली एक ही मतलब एक
As
ही
I
मेनू
told
नहीं
you,
होता
like,
है
we have 3 vegetables every day.
अच्छा.
और चेंज होती है ना तो फिर वो बोर
They
नहीं
all
होते
get
हैं हाँ.
bored.
We give थाली में आपको जो है, we don't give the चालू सब्जी, normal सब्जी.
अगर आप नॉर्मल किसी भोजनालय में जाओगे या छोटे से रेस्टोरेंट में जाओगे तो उनकी सब्जी जो होती है वो आलू की या फिर मतलब बहुत
One
चालू सी
aloo
सब्जी
to will
होती
be
है.
there. Yeah,
हाँ,
aloo sabzi to will be
हाँ
there.
नॉर्मल सब्जी होती है बट हमारे यहाँ जो सब्जी होती है वो आप वो नॉर्मल
रेस्टोरेंट
सब्जी
से
नहीं होती है
compare
एक रेस्टोरेंट से कंपेयर कर हाँ कर सकते हो.
So, what advice would you give to the newcomers?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल खुद पे विश्वास होना चाहिए और क्वालिटी मेंटेन करनी चाहिए और रिसोर्स पे ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए. अगर आप रिसोर्स पे ट्रस्ट
Build a
करोगे
relationship.
हाँ रिलेशनशिप अगर बिल्ड कर लोगे तो फिर आप अच्छा
And
रेस्टोरेंट.
patience. I want to add here.
Patience.
Patience.
So,
Sorry.
yeah.
You can't make the profit from the day one. In the restaurant business, the thumb rule is that you have to give at least 6 months. At least 6 months, run it, burn it. After 6 months, you realize, okay, you are not
These are the
becoming a
mistakes.
break-even point. Then that's a yellow mark. Think about it. You are going towards a red mark. Okay, but that's a yellow mark for you. After 6 months, you are not become profitable. At least not profitable, but break-even, right? Then the yellow, you have touched the yellow line.
Like,
But within 6 months, if you wanted to hurry up, you have to have the fruits on your wall, then
it will not happen.
it will not work out.
Not happen. So, what are the factors that a newcomer should look when it comes to starting a business? So, what are the things they need step by step, to go about starting the business?
First of all, two things is very much important. That is trading license and food license.
Food license. Okay, that is like the most
License part
important.
is one thing, and you have to confident what cuisine you can serve. जैसे आपको अपना एक you have to trust factor, like confidence factor, right? कि नहीं यार मैं ये खाना दे सकता हूँ. And I'm very confident that people will like that food. ऐसा नहीं कि मार्केट में ट्रेंड चल रहा है वो अपने ओपन कर दिया.
Yeah.
You always get a gut feeling, right? Okay, let's say you are very good in making biryani. ठीक है, but there are only 100 players. Forget about 100 players. But if your biryani can make it stand out, then you can bring the, like if you are making difference, right, on the table, then आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो.
Correct.
But वो confidence जरूरी है आप में कि आप क्या लेना चाहते हो. Don't go with the trend.
Trend. Correct.
Don't
Absolutely.
go with the trend. अगर आप सिंपल भी खाना देते हो तो लोग वहाँ पे आके
क्योंकि वो ट्रेंड में जाएंगे तो ट्रेंड चला गया तो वो भी चले जाएगा.
Exactly. If you look at Brahmin's coffee bar, right? They have very limited menu. They have very limited menu. They have only idlis, vada, whatever coffee.
From the beginning, they have the
right?
same thing.
From beginning, and they have kept the legacy.
Correct.
And you go there and look at that, their Mercedes comes and they stop by, right?
Yeah.
So वो confident है वो. They are very confident of their food.
Correct.
And that's why they are making the money, right?
That's like the most important advice. And what do you think, or how do you choose your locations?
मतलब सराउंडिंग्स में देखते हैं पहले कि किस टाइप का चल रहा है.
जैसे हमारा जो खाना था थाली सिस्टम हुआ था. Initially we thought we will give the थाली only. तो we chose the tech park. कि नहीं भाई टेक पार्क है अगल बगल में कैसा भी होगा चला जाएगा. Because people want our cuisine or for wanted to give a good food at reasonable price. कि भैया बंदा आया 120, 130, 40 में अपना अच्छा पीपल के खाना खा लिया.
क्योंकि 3 साल इन्होंने मतलब मान्यता टेक पार्क में काम किया बट इन्हें रिजनेबल प्राइस में वो चीज नहीं मिला, वो फूड नहीं मिला.
So you fill in that gap.
Exactly. So that's the problem statement. I was working in Manita, I was spending 200, 300 bucks, I was not getting the homely food. That was the problem statement she was trying to solve. I told her कि यार अभी तुम शादी हो गई है तो अच्छा खाना मिल रहा है. But this is the challenge which I was facing. And that's why we chose the tech park nearby. And because of that, how much money we have spent? 2 lakh rupees we have given that guy to just vacate the place.
To vacate the place.
Understood. So What would be the exit point for a restaurant?
एग्जिट आपको तभी करना चाहिए एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ योर पीस, राइट? अगर आप देख रहे हो कि इट्स अफेक्टिंग योर मेंटल हेल्थ,
Right.
राइट, एट द पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू रियलाइज कि नहीं यार, इट इज अफेक्टिंग माय मेंटल हेल्थ, देयर इज नथिंग मच important than your mental health or peace, then I think there's a time to take off.
और मेंटल हेल्थ तो तभी आते हैं जब मतलब अगर आपको वैसा रिटर्न नहीं मिल रहा है तो आपको मेंटली आप डिस्टर्ब हो जाओगे कि नहीं, मतलब मैं इतनी मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, इतनी मेहनत कर रही हूँ, कुछ नहीं आ रहा है। अगर आप मेहनत कर रहे हो और आपको रिटर्न मिल रहा है तो आपको वहाँ पे पीस मिलेगी कि नहीं, मैंने जितनी मेहनत की उतना मुझे रिटर्न मिल रहा है।
Well said actually. So thank you so much for spending your time. Now it's for the fun part. We have a rapid fire question where you shouldn't think for a second and you should answer immediately. So do you both want to go for one question each, or you want to answer one question both of you?
One question both of you.
Yeah, okay, got it. So what's your favorite dish to cook?
I make lovely tea, world best tea.
Tea, okay. So what about you?
पाव भाजी।
Pav bhaji, yum. Okay. That one ingredient you cannot live without. ये होना ही चाहिए, जो भी खाना मैं बना रही हूँ या whatever I'm eating, this should be there.
घर वाला धनिया, मैं होममेड किचन की।
Okay. You, sir.
I think for me it's salt.
So, yeah, that is true. Okay. Your biggest culinary inspiration? कि हाँ, मैं इनको देख के मैं ये बनी.
My husband inspired me actually.
Okay. What about you, sir?
See, I get inspiration from many people. It's just not one people.
One person.
I see what qualities they bring on the table. It's not one person at all.
Got it. Okay. So your favorite cuisine other than yours?
The chola puri.
Chola
Indian main course basically.
Indian main course.
Indian main course.
Okay, fine. You like to cook or manage?
Manage.
Okay. Coffee or tea?
Tea, always tea.
Okay. Sweet or savory?
Sweet.
Both of you. Okay. You go to comfort food after a long time?
पराठा and आलू की सब्जी।
आलू की सब्जी.
And we like pizza, but at the home.
Achha, okay. Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Morning.
Morning.
Both. Okay. So the most underrated ingredient?
I think the Indian thali.
That
The
is
Indian thali is the main people have it every day. That's very, now you see KFC, McDonald's, right? They have commercialized everything. Even though your what the burger, like what's that outlet called? They put everything else in between. Right?
Subway, huh?
Right? But you don't see, a lot of people have come to serve an Indian thali, right? You have a Rajdhani place, right? But people don't give the homely Indian food, right? That's very underrated meals right now.
Agreed. So, are you more of a casual dining or a fine dining person?
Fine dining.
Okay, then it leads to the next question. Which is your most favorite restaurant other than yours?
चूल्हा
Chula
चौकी।
chowki.
Oh, my favorite too. Okay. The weirdest food combination that you've had and it actually works.
इडली with राजस्थानी कढ़ी।
Oh,
We have idli,
With राजस्थानी कढ़ी।
curry. Oh, okay. And it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very
we didn't
nice.
have the sambar chutney, so we in the morning we made
इडली
and
and
then in the night we had this curry. Let's try with this. I think it works basically. But
Wow.
We have combination.
Wow. Right. So eaten or take out?
eating.
One dish that you cooked and you'll never want to cook that again.
So I prepared one. I poured wine in dal.
Okay.
That was like, I told again, let's put some red wine in the become a reddish type of combination. Right? वो the अजीब सा experience.
So if you weren't a restaurant owner, what would you be?
Good housewife.
Good house.
वो तो अभी भी हो.
What about you, sir? You would have continued with your ideal job.
See, I am a passionate entrepreneur since I'm working, right? But because of my own terms and conditions, basically. But yeah, at the same time, want to become an entrepreneur down the 5 years, basically. I wanted to grow, like I wanted to see multiple business, and when I say business, it's a process. When I say business, right, I don't have to be present on the business.
Okay, that kind of a freedom you want.
Exactly. So you have to create a process. It's all process oriented. Right? You can't grow without having multiple business or multiple people, right? You need a team. You have to create the process. आप चाहोगे कि अगर अंबानी और कहीं पे भी एक बंदा वो अपने से क्रिएट नहीं किया, they have made the process, right? And automation also, right? And if you see a lot of things which has came to the market. Automation, right? और आप बोलोगे मुझे सब्जी लाना है market. That's example of taking this example, right? अभी Zomato में या फिर Ninja Cart में सब्जी महंगी मिलती है vegetables, right? But if you go end up your time killing your time, go and buy something. अगर आप 20, 50, 100, 200 बचा भी लेते हो, but you are spending a lot of time, 4 hours, right? 3 hours.
Right. Then there's no point of
There's
being.
no point, right? You have to spend that time, quality time, with something else. So I wanted to like grow. Maybe I can open my own business or company. I'm working on that part, but slowly and steady. 5 years I wanted to get rid of the corporate world. But because of the commitment, I also enjoy working also. It's not that I'm stick with my office because of that I have to be there. But yeah, I also enjoy keep working in my like in IT world, IT field.
Okay, so do you like front of the house or back of the house?
Bahar.
Dono. So you're more into customers and talking with the customers and everything. Okay, what's your favorite dish in your menu?
Dal bati churma.
The best advice you have ever received till now?
One advice I'm got right. Leave 5, focus 1. ये 5 चीजें एक साथ मत करो. Drop 5, focus 1. That's the one advice I have received from one person.
Got it.
Then you can grow. You can achieve anything.
What's the most annoying request your customers have asked?
सब्जी ज़्यादा चाहिए.
So that's like
थाली में जो है. So we have to tell this sir.
आप रायता मत दो, सब्जी दे दो.
Understood. Got it. Does not happen, right? That's the difference.
Yes.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us and giving us advice to all the newcomers. And hopefully they take this journey from your learnings and build a big empire of theirs.
Thank you so much, Archana, for inviting us.
Thank you so
having
much.
a wonderful session with us.
This is a small token of appreciation from our side.
Okay, thank
so,
you.
Tulsi, because
Thank you so
it
much.
means purity.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much for taking some time.
Thank you.